In today's video, you are going to learn how to challenge scary thoughts. Make sure you watch until the end to get the maximum benefit. Tell me in the comments if this has ever happened to you. You feel a weird sensation, and your brain screams, "This could be serious. What if it's fatal? I need to check, I need to know right now." Part of you knows it's anxiety, but it feels so real, doesn't it? That's because you haven't just had a thought, you've believed it. But what if I told you? Not every thought deserves your trust, and you can learn to challenge even the most convincing ones. Hey, I'm Patrick from transformingsad.com, and welcome to episode 4 of this CBT series for health anxiety. In the last episode, you learned how to spot your automatic thoughts, those split-second beliefs that fuel the spiral. Now I'm going to show you how to take back control by challenging those thoughts and replacing them with ones that calm your system instead of flooding it. Here's the truth. Your brain believes what you rehearse, not necessarily what's true. So if you constantly rehearse thoughts like, what if I have cancer? They missed something. This feeling isn't normal. Those thoughts feel more and more believable over time, even if there's no real evidence behind them. CBT helps you break that cycle by asking one simple question. Is this thought 100% true? Let's break it down. When a scary thought appears, walk it through these 5 questions. What is the evidence for this thought? Example, I have chest pain, it could be a heart attack. Evidence 4, I feel a tightness right now. What is the evidence against it? Evidence against, I've had this before, I've seen doctors, tests were clear. I'm not short of breath or faint. Is this a cognitive distortion? Am I catastrophizing, mind reading, jumping to conclusions? If a friend had this thought, what would I say to them? Would I say, yep, you're probably dying? Of course not. I'd reassure them and offer perspective. What's a more balanced or rational way to see this? Instead of, I'm dying, try, this is anxiety, I've felt this before, I'm safe even if it feels uncomfortable. That reframe thought is your lifeline. You might be wondering, but if I don't feel calm, how can I believe the new thought? Great question. CBT doesn't expect you to feel 100% calm immediately. It teaches your brain, over time, to build new associations. Every time you challenge a thought and don't act on the fear, you're training your nervous system. This isn't an emergency, we can handle this. That's how healing happens, through repeated, calm correction. Let's practice with a common health anxiety scenario. Trigger, random muscle twitch. Thought, this could be ALS. Feeling, panic, dread, urge to check. Now challenge the thought. Evidence 4, muscle twitching is happening. Evidence against, I'm not weak. No pattern, no clinical signs. Distortion, catastrophizing, friend advice. Twitching happens all the time when stressed or tired. Reframe, twitching is common and harmless. My nervous system is just overstimulated. Feel that shift? That's your power returning. To help you do this daily, I've created a simple thought challenger worksheet. Use it anytime a scary thought pops up. You'll be amazed how different things feel when you put those thoughts on paper and walk them through these steps. Comment challenge it, and I'll send you the worksheet. If you're starting to feel more in control, that's not a coincidence. It's CBT in action. And if you want to go deeper, check out the free health anxiety course linked below. We walk through these exact steps, with guided meditations, journaling prompts, and more. Every scary thought feels powerful, until you challenge it. And the more you challenge, the more your brain rewires. You don't have to believe everything you think, especially when your calm is on the other side of questioning it. Like and subscribe to transform your anxiety into the life of your dreams.